Hi first graders, today for science we're going to continue learning about habitats. So as you can see in the pictures, I have put some different habitats on the screen. See if you can point to the one that is the Arctic. Which one is the Arctic? Did you say this one? You're right. What about the forest habitat? Yep, it's this one. All right, see if you can locate the ocean habitat. Which one is the ocean? This one. And last we're talking about the desert. Which one is the desert? Yep, this one over here. Good. So those are the habitats we've learned about so far in the past week and in the previous week. So each habitat gives the plants or animals in it what it needs to live. All animals and plants need the following things to survive: air, food, water, shelter, and a space to live. Everything needs its own space. If it's too crammed together, it cannot survive. Plants and animals that live together in a habitat make up a community. They help each other get what they need. You can see the different animals and plants here. The birds are in the trees. There's water here. That's why all the animals are coming here to get what they need. But today's main focus is going to be the wetlands. We haven't talked about the wetlands yet. So as you can see in these pictures, it sounds just like what it is, wet land. So there is a lot of water, there's some grass, and we're going to investigate a little bit more about these wetlands. So wetlands are areas that are covered with shallow water, and shallow means it's not very deep. The soil is very wet. People sometimes call these areas swamps or marshes. Many plants and animals live in and near wetlands. I want you to take a second and think, why would there be a lot of animals and plants near these wetlands? Think about it. What did people, plants, and animals need to survive? Well, they needed food, water, air, shelter, and space to live. And I'm sure they can get many of those things here because there are many different kinds of animals, insects, water, and various forms of shelter that they can get. So these wetlands are very diverse, which means different. There's a lot of different plants and animals that live here. So we're going to check out some animals that live in this wetland habitat. There are frogs. A lot of the frogs live there the whole year, and some other species of frogs come and lay their eggs there. There's many different kinds of insects that live in this habitat, as well as turtles and birds. And if you would go south to a place like the Everglades in Florida, there would be many more different kinds of species like alligators. And it would be interesting if you would want to check out some more of these. I will be posting them in Epic. So you can go to Epic and check your mailbox, and I will be putting in some different wetland and different habitat books for you to check out. Thanks, first graders. Have a great day.